Kitchen verbs. Roasting. Definition. Cooking food, typically meat or vegetables, by exposing it to dry heat in an oven. Sentence. She roasted the turkey in the oven for Thanksgiving dinner. Grilling. Definition. Cooking food by placing it on a grill or grates over an open flame or heat source. Sentence. She is grilling the burgers on the barbecue for the dinner party. Frying. Definition. Cooking food by submerging it in hot oil or fat, typically in a pan or deep fryer. Sentence. She's frying some crispy bacon and egg for our breakfast. Stirring. Definition. Mixing ingredients in a circular or figure-8 motion to combine them evenly while cooking. Sentence. She's stirring the sauce gently to prevent lumps from forming. Pouring. Definition. Transferring a liquid, such as a sauce or batter, from one container to another. Sentence. She's pouring the hot chicken stock into the cooking pan. Cracking. Definition. Breaking open a food item, such as eggs or nuts, to expose the contents. Sentence. She's cracking the eggs into a bowl to make an omelet. Adding. Definition. Introducing additional ingredients or seasonings to a dish during the cooking process. Sentence. She's adding salt and pepper to perfect the recipe. Lifting. Definition. Gently raising or removing food from a cooking surface or hot liquid. Sentence. She is lifting the freshly baked cookies from the oven. Slicing. Definition. Cutting food items like meat, fruits, and vegetables into thin, flat pieces. Sentence. He's slicing the roasted meat that will be served to the guests. Whisking. Definition. Agitating a mixture vigorously with a whisk to incorporate air and create a smooth texture. Sentence. She is whisking the eggs and sugar until they become frothy. Tossing. Definition. Mixing or coating ingredients, often in a salad, by gently flipping or stirring them together. Sentence. He's tossing the salad with the vinaigrette dressing. Cutting. Definition. Separating or dividing food items into desired shapes or sizes using cutting tools. Sentence. He's cutting the fresh carrot into bite-sized chunks. Rolling. Definition. Flattening or shaping dough or other food items into a thin, even layer using a rolling pin. Sentence. Roll out the pastry dough to make the pie crust. Tasting. Trying a small amount of the prepared dish to assess the flavor and make adjustments. Definition. Sentence. The chef tasted the sauce to check if it needed more seasoning. Mixing. Definition. Combining ingredients, typically with a spoon or spatula, to create a homogeneous mixture. Sentence. Mix the flour and water together until a smooth batter forms. Washing. Definition. Cleaning food items, such as fruits and vegetables, under running water to remove dirt. Sentence. He's washing the vegetables before tossing them into the salad bowl. Flipping. Definition: to turn food items, like pancakes or burgers, over to cook the other side. Sentence: he's flipping the pancakes to make sure they're evenly browned on both sides. Baking. Definition: cooking food by dry heat in an oven, which can include baking bread, cakes, or casseroles. Sentence: she baked the apple pie early in the morning. Piping. Definition: using a piping bag to squeeze out decorative shapes of icing or whipped cream. Sentence: he's piping frosting onto the cake for a beautiful finish. Kneading. Definition: working and pressing dough with hands to achieve a smooth, elastic consistency. Sentence: she'd kneading the bread dough for at least 10 minutes until it's soft and springy. Grating. Definition: reducing food items into fine particles or shreds using a grater. Sentence: I'm grating some cheese to sprinkle on top of the pizza. Blending. Definition: mixing ingredients using a blender or food processor to create a smooth mixture. Sentence: he is blending the fruits and yogurt to make a delicious smoothie.